Hello everyone, Vlad here. Welcome to my PathMadness review. So guys, right now I'm inside of members area of PathMadness, and during this video I'm gonna give you a demo of exactly what this is and so what it's PathMadness, right? This is a full training made by Peter, Matt and Jesse Joseph, and this will gonna go live guys on 5 May 11 a.m. EST. So this product in the nutshell is it's a training course who's gonna help you to build an email list for earning affiliate commissions. So if this is something what you are interested in, stick with me during this video till the end, because I'm gonna go into more details, and of course I prepared for you guys some custom bonuses which is gonna give you so much advantage with this product, because it's a lot of training what I'm giving you. I'm giving you some cool bonuses, traffic bonuses and a lot more. But before to jump in my bonus page, be sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below in the comment section and ring the notification bell guys. This is gonna help me a lot. Thank you very much. So now let's jump on my bonuses. So if you click down below in the description of this video, this will gonna bring you on my bonus page, which looks like this. And guys, here you will have a countdown timer, right? And you have to pick this up before this countdown timer goes to 0. And when this countdown will go to 0, all my bonuses which I prepare for you are gonna disappear, and it's something what I don't want you to miss out. So now let's jump on the bonuses guys. So the bonus number 1 is Access Aurora Pro, the first 12 hours. This is the best selling product from John Armstrong. It's gonna help you to get a lot of traffic. It's a Chrome extension who is gonna help you to get traffic, free high traffic from Instagram. The bonus number 2 guys is 2-page traffic source for PathMadness. The bonus number 3 is 24k followers in 24 hours. The bonus number 4 it's a Boomerang Body Pro, and the bonus number 5 it's of course all vendor bonuses, which I'm gonna show you right now. If you click on one of these yellow button guys, doesn't matter which one, this will gonna bring you on the sales page, and here you can purchase the product. And here are as well the vendor bonuses, which I'm gonna tell you right now. The bonus number 1 it's $100 a day checklist. The bonus number 2 Panther profits. Bonus number 3 it's banking promo, and the bonus number 4 it's free traffic hack. You have here the 100% money back guarantee. Here so you can purchase the product, and here we have some benefits guys. So it's making us $567.85 daily passively income. Here how you can replicate. So we have some benefits: set and forgot autopilot, income system, the fastest results you've ever seen, set and forgot income system, all it takes is 30 minutes for starting, evergreen method for everyone, you have 24/7 income stream for beginners. And here we have some income proofs guys. They are quite of nice income proofs. Here are the people behind this training course, and we have here some more testimonials, some video testimonials, and I'm gonna let you to check this out guys in your own time, and maybe this is gonna help you to make a decision if you want or not to buy this training course. So now I think it's time to go in the prices at Upsell to see what you will get if you decide to buy this through my link, which is down below in the description of this video guys. So let's jump on the prices in the upsells. So you have the front end for $12.96. You have access to all the training modules. The upsell number 1, you have the PathMadness Pro for $47, and you have here a downsell of 27, so you can already save $20 here. 10 free traffic generation training, done for you landing pages template, done for you lead magnets, done for you email series, and $398 a day with free traffic under 30 minutes. I mean, if you are a beginner, don't expect that to have in 30 minutes. But if you know already something about affiliate marketing, about email lists and all that, this is very possible. But don't expect now, if you are a beginner, if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing or email lists or any type of online marketing, don't expect to have under 30 minutes that kind of commission. So I just want you to be sure, because I want to give you guys the best products, and I'm believing in this product. It's very good, and I just tell you to don't expect at this kind of results, and you spend just 30 minutes a day, even less if you're a beginner. So, but everything can be possible if if you are implementing everything those guys is gonna teach you in the training module. Maybe you're gonna achieve that, but I just wanted to give you a heads up before, So you have the upsell number 2, it's email swipe ignition for $67 and a downsell of 37. Here you can also save $30. So after emailing our list daily for over a year, we have hand selected our best performing emails, and we are handing them to you as silver plate. Those are emails swipes that have received out of this world open rate, click-through rate, and conversion rate. This is very good. You have already all the emails written, so you just have to send them. Option number 3, it's landing page detonation for $197 and a downsell of 97. So here you're gonna save $100, guys. So this is a huge deal right here. We will custom design a landing page that will receive results that will feel like hitting the digital jackpot. Leverage the expertise and experience of 2 full-time internet marketers and get yourself a killer landing page that will convert like crazy. This is also a crazy thing, especially if you're a beginner and you don't know anything about landing pages. You already have here done for you landing page, and you're gonna customize it. Option number 4, it's listen right, which here it's always good to buy it. And here you have for $97, and you have here a downsell of 67, so you're gonna save here to $30. So want to promote a product that is actually ethical and provides real value, unlike the countless push button software being launched right now. You can sell PathMadness as your own product and bank easy paydays email while promoting something you are proud of in the process. Option number 5 is done for you system for $297 and the downsell of 197. You're gonna save here as well $100. So want to take this a step forward, make easy passive profits while the heavy lifting is done for you. This is a truly passive income done for you. Is completing one-on-one coaching by Skype or email until their offer is complete and ready for making profit. And option number 6 is lead domination mastery for $77. Pedro teach you a new amazing strategy on how you grow your list to 100 USA leads a day and become a master solo ads vendor. Then Pedro will send 1000 of your email to his list of buyers that he has built up over the last few years. So this is huge. I think this is a very, if it's for $77, this is so good. If it's for $197, I'm not so sure, but this is a very good upsell, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna let you to decide everything. So yeah, guys. Now let's jump on the members area. So if you click on one of these yellow buttons, guys, this will gonna bring you on the sales page, and here you can pick this up, but you have to pick this up before the countdown will hit 0. And when my countdown hits 0, you're gonna miss all my bonuses, and my bonuses, they are the best. You can go around and check others review videos, and you will see my bonuses are the best, and this is gonna help you to get the best out of this product. So now let's jump on the members area, guys. Here we have the members area. Have here the intro, the welcome videos from Sabine Timsina, Jesse Joseph, and Pedro Madaleno. Have the overview of the PathMadness. Here you have the main training, guys. How to find hot products to promote, how to approve for high converting products, resources and softwares, email marketing, getting website server, tools connecting, create landing pages, free down for you landing page templates, how to create affiliate pre-sales page, connecting dots. So guys, this training is very comprehensive, right? And this I love about those trainings, because once you buy it, and you can buy it even for the front end, which is just $12.95, right? It's how I like always to say in my review, it's this front end from $13 just think about it, a package of cigarettes, for example, no? Two packages of cigarettes or two Starbucks coffee, or is something meaningless what you are spending without even knowing, or you just throw them away, right? For $13 you have access to all the training, and the point is here is the training how to do it step by step. And I know from my past when I was starting affiliate marketing, I didn't know about those products, and I was directly buying Ministry of Freedom. I'm the happiest man I was buying, and I'm the Ministry of Freedom. But if you don't have such kind of money for Ministry of Freedom, you can take these small courses, these low ticket products, and you will learn so much from that, because you have everything step by step. You are implementing what those guys saying, and you can success if you are implementing everything they say. Is no reason why you can't have success. I hope I make you to understand something. I just want to tell you guys, here you have a training step by step, and you just have to pause the video, watch the training, do it the same, and so on and so on, and you're gonna have success, trust me. And one more thing, you have to be consistent, and the mindset. Once you have the mindset ready, consistency, I can promise you with the hand of my heart, you're gonna have success. And let's back on the members area. Here you have the traffic training, who's gonna give you all the traffic training you need to get your free traffic, right? The traffic method, personal email traffic, and learn how to drive free traffic under 10 minutes. So guys, this was my review for today. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope I was making a nice review for you to understand what this product is. I hope I helped you to make a decision. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below with every question you want, and I'm gonna answer you. And hit that notification bell. See you in the next one. Ciao.